Mama.
It's a stereo cat's face.
What the hell was that?
Bless you?
Hiccuping! You guys always get confused whenever I hiccup. Is my hiccups that bizarre?
Yes.
Yes.
I know they sound a bit like a squeak, but I promise they're hiccups.
The almighty, amazing Gecko should never hiccup. It's odd. It is unacceptable.
I hiccup a lot though.
It's not okay. It's just not a sound we're used to hearing from you, I suppose.
I do it all the time! And you guys always comment on it.
I knew it was a hiccup, but I was like, I don't know what to say when you hiccup, so I'm gonna say bless you and just... Oh, cut screen, guys.
It is alive and still has its ball.